Stories have been creeping into pretty much every social app in the past couple of years. Now, Spotify, the music streaming app, is publicly testing snapshot style stories. But before that, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell button to be updated with our latest upload. When you search for certain terms in Spotify, such as Christmas hits, and tap one of the featured playlist, you'll get an option to tap to see story, which will take you to a collage of short videos with celebrities or singers talking about their favorite Christmas songs.
Hey, what's up? It's Gwen Stefani. And one of my favorite songs on You Make It Feel Like Christmas, my Christmas album, is actually the title track, You Make It Feel Like Christmas. And that is because I wrote it with Blake Shelton.
Christmas Without You is about wanting someone by your side. My favorite.
Hey everyone, it's Megan Trainor, and I have a new song with Earth, Wind & Fire of my new album, A Very Trainor Christmas.
There's no word on when Spotify might launch the new feature widely, but who knows about what will happen next. So that's it. If you have any comment about the story feature in Spotify, just leave a comment below and let's share our ideas. Until next time, bye for now.